In this video, I'm going to teach you how to send bulk emails on HubSpot. To do that, you first need to head over right here into your marketing, and then from in there, proceed to click on email in order to see this particular option. Now, once we're in there, you can have the option to create a new email, and then choose regular or automated through that way. On my case, I already created one, so let me just edit it right here. Now this will load the email editor. So for this case, let's just choose right here who will receive this. You can click on this icon to choose the send method, and you can choose the segment of contacts, or you can choose through automation through this way. Just right here your estimated recipients, and then choose right here your subscription type, the send to the select segments that you wish to actually choose this. I'll choose right here this ones, and then they will be added. After that, you can review and send this particular email once you're done. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.